How's it going, guys? Mr. Meyer here for our second day of getting back into being physically active. We'll do another quick Tabata training. Yesterday we did a couple exercises with jog in place, squats, calf raises, lunges, one leg balance, and squat jumps. Today we're going to change it up. We're going to do jog in place, side lunges, calf raises, which jog in place, calf raises we'll always do. I love those ones. We're going to do something called 1 foot hops. We're also going to do, let's say, run in place and split jack jumps. I will show you all those exercises quickly before we get into it, and then we'll start the training with the timer up here. So we know jog in place, jog in place. Side lunges is just lunging to the side, coming up, back over. Calf raises, go up onto the toes. 1 foot hops is you're going to hop on 1 foot. We'll do that for about 15 seconds, and I'll switch to the other foot for 15 seconds. We have run in place, run in place, and split jack jumps, or you go into a lunge and you jump and switch. So I'll show you from the side. It's jump and switch, okay? So each exercise we're gonna do for 30 seconds, and then we'll rest for 20 seconds. We're just doing those 6, not like the interval training 4th and 5th grade where we did those 3 times each. So on the screen here, hopefully it doesn't cancel out on me again now. As it's green, we're working hard. When it's red, we're taking a break. It's 30 seconds on, 20 seconds off, and it also counts it out for you a little bit the last 3 seconds. All right, so first thing we're doing is jog in place. Let me get that down there. And so we're taking 10 seconds to get ready, so get in your good personal space. Get ready, it'll count down for us. 3, 2, 1, and go. So we're just jogging in place, getting our body warm. If you're feeling warm ready, maybe you've been moving around ready, you can go a little bit faster. I'm just showing you from the side, you don't have to turn. Just showing you what it looks like. We're going for that 30 seconds. Here we go. Good job, guys, keep it up. Nice job, almost there. It'll count down for us when we're done. Already coming to the end. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is side lunges. See, it's red. It's counting up from 30, so that when it gets to 50 seconds, we'll be moving on to the next one. So again, side lunges. I'll show you again. Side lunges is just coming to the side here. All right, we'll wait for them to count it down. Shake your legs out a little bit. If you have a bottle of water, take a little sip. Here we go. So just lunging to the side. And if you guys remember when we had the pedometers, if you want to sneak in a couple of steps, as you're doing it, you can. If you just want to do the side lunges, that's fine. All right, good job, guys. Keep it up. This is our second exercise, and we'll move on to the next one in a little bit. Good, if you want to add a couple steps in there. Good, so now we should be on the red screen. Hopefully it doesn't X out for us. So red screen, and now we're gonna work on calf raises. We all know calf raises, one of my favorite exercises. Just going up onto the toes. Not fast, just nice and easy. So we'll start up, once it hits the green screen, it'll count down for us. Here we go. So just going up onto the toes and back down nice and easy. Show you from the side. If you want to bump it up and make it a little bit harder, you can try to do it 1-footed. Woo. Maybe switch to the other foot. If you want to do the regular calf raises, you can always just do the regular calf raises going up and down. Almost there. You want to add little arm circles into it. Get that extra exercise. Good, so now we should be in the red. And we'll go for 20 seconds there, taking a break. Then we're going to do 1 foot hops. I'm going to see if I can get it right in half at 15 seconds. So we'll start 15 seconds on this side, and then we'll go 15 seconds jumping onto the other foot, hopping onto the other foot. All right, want to shake your legs out, get a sip. Oh, here we go. All right, so just hopping on the 1 foot. Again, if you feel like you're gonna fall, put your foot down. We've talked about that last year. Talking about it again, this is stuff you're doing this, you feel like you're gonna fall over, don't lose your balance. Put your foot down. So I think we're about, hopefully halfway. We'll switch to the other foot. So just go nice and easy. Don't make your legs straight. You want to keep your knees slightly bent as you're doing this. All right, we're almost there. If you're getting tired there, you can switch back to the other foot, and then switch back to the other foot. All right, so that was 1 foot hops. We're gonna move on to run in place. So in that 20 seconds, we'll get going here. Woo, all right. That was good, I felt that right here. Make sure you get a sip of water, shake your legs out a little bit. All right, you guys ready? Run in place. All right, so obviously like jog in place, just a little bit harder. Just make sure you're keeping yourself leaning forward a little bit. You don't want to lean back, because as I'm leaning back, I'm going backwards. So lean forward, just like you would run. You lean forward. When you're running in the schoolyard, you don't run like this. You're running lean forward. So with this too, make sure you're leaning forward as you're running. Almost there, guys. Keep it going. See if you can go a little faster. Nice job. We got one more exercise, and then we will be done. Great job. Keep it up. Whew. That was a good one. So the next one we're going to do, we're going to show you one more time those lunges, and then you're going to jump and switch. Jump and switch. Make sure you look around your area right now. Do you have enough room to do this? So you're just jumping back and forth, going into a lunge. Remember, your knee doesn't go past your toe. Whew. Probably not going to be able to talk that much this one. Ooh, working hard. Ooh, good job, guys. Almost there. Ooh, nice job, guys. So, make sure you're drinking some water right now. If you remember any of the stretches from last year, do a couple stretches. But enjoy, stay safe, stay healthy.